Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw a house using lines which are sketching lines, exploratory lines, working things out as we go along. The first step is to draw a big cube with lines receding to the right, getting narrower as they go to the right, and also getting narrower as they go to the left too. Next, we can draw a triangle for the roof, and then from the top of the triangle we can draw a line going left, and then we can use the angle of the triangle at the front for the angle of the roof on the left. So now we have a basic sketch of a house. Notice that we are looking up to the roof, but we're also looking down to the base of the house. Next we can draw an extension on the left of the house, and to add a roof to this, just use the left angle of the main roof. Now we can add a chimney or two cuboids. As they intersect the roof, the base of these cuboids, the base of the chimneys, will just be the same angle as the angle of the left-hand side of the roof. Next, we can make the house look like it's on a hill. To do that, we can draw a slope, so the ground is rising up from the left corner of the house towards the right of the drawing. Now we could draw a front door and block in some of the windows either side of the door. And then we can draw a few guidelines going up above for the windows on the second floor of the house. We could extend the chimney stack on the right, going all the way down to the ground against the outside wall of the house. Now it's time to erase the lines of the house that are below the line of the ground that we've just drawn. We could add a garage door to the extension on the left, and maybe a window above too. We could add another extension on the right of the house. From the left side of the house, the furthest part of the house from us, we can draw a line for the edge of a road coming towards the right base of our drawing. Next, draw another line, a curved line this time, on the left for the left side of the road, again coming towards us. These lines just need to be loose lines, sketching lines, or exploring lines, working things out as we go along. Now we could add some lines for a landscape behind the house, make the lines perhaps lower than the roof of the house. Next, we could add a figure perhaps, a person standing by the side of the road. We can keep it simple, just draw a simple head, a body, and maybe a long skirt, looking away from us so that we don't need to draw any details. We could draw a couple of other people in the distance, by the turn of the road, on the left-hand side of the house. I think I'll add a tree on the right of the house. Again, just a sketch. A tree trunk and some branches forking out from the main trunk. I'll draw the tree quite big. Maybe we could add some clouds and sky above the roofline of the house. So now it's probably time to erase some of the lines that we no longer need in the drawing. Some of the lines, for example, that overlap each other, and some of the guidelines that we no longer need. Now we can add some shading. I'll start by drawing a shadow under the line of the main roof. For this drawing, I'm using a 4B pencil. To make a darker line or a tonal shade, I just apply more pressure to the pencil point as I'm drawing. I want to make this drawing a tonal drawing, full of shadows and light, with some bold dark outlines too. If you'd like to learn more about how to draw from scratch, and you'd like to learn how to draw buildings step by step, please consider joining one of my online drawing courses. There are full details at circlelineartschool.com. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it useful for your own drawings. And so the last stage for this drawing is to add a range of tonal values by applying some shading to various parts of the drawing step by step, starting with dark tones and then blocking in tones of shaded values. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with the videos that I post each week. Thank you for watching and see you next time.